We're out of fuel, luckily. Luckily we could roll down to this one. We're going to Acacia Mall because we're good. We're going to Acacia Mall because I've just realised that I was in there 2 days ago having lunch. What do all the girls in Kampala want to know? And I can't find my AirPods, so I went on find my iPhone and find my Apple stuff, and turns out that they're there. So I'm gonna go and explore and see whether I can find them. Wish me luck. So I'm gonna try and find this set of AirPods. I went into this cafe the other day, and I think that's where they are. That's where they look like they are on the Find My Phone, so we'll see. Excuse me. Hi, I was in here the other day, and I think I left my AirPods at the table. Can I speak to the manager? That's him? This guy? With the cap? Oh, hi. I think I left my AirPods.
AirPods?
AirPods, yeah, the little white plastic thing.
White plastic. When was that?
2 days ago.
2 days.
Do you have a... Sorry?
You sat up?
Yeah, I sat up there, yeah. So we're going to go and check in the lost property. You find any white ones?
Sorry about that.
No problem.
Okay. Hi guys.
What's your name?
Derek.
Derek. Bill.
Bill, nice to meet you.
Thanks for trying to help me anyway.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's a successful vlog.
Yeah. It's check and see.
Otherwise I'm going to be going through everybody's pockets.
Yeah. Okay. This is the place where we normally check.
This is the place.
How was the experience here when you...
Yeah, it was great.
Where are you from?
Scotland.
Scotland. Wow.
Yeah, I've been back here like 2 or 3 times already because the food's so good.
It's good.
Unfortunately, couldn't find my AirPods there, but made a friend for life. The owner of the place has been really nice, and he's going to show me around the place, and he also bought me the coffee and the drink, so that was nice. And I'm going to get in a cab and go to Entebbe, and then from Entebbe we're going to get a boat and go to the chimpanzee sanctuary. So okay, so just booked this Uber and we're about to head to Entebbe. Cool. Looking for the place to get the boat. So
Yeah, so
this guy's got Idi Amin of his car. Some people still like him. Excuse me. Hello. I'm looking to get a boat to the chimpanzee island.
chimpanzee, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know the one? Ngamba, Gaba, Gabi?
Gaba.
Yeah. Is there a boat that goes there?
You want to go to see Ngamba? You're
Ngamba.
going Ngamba, eh?
I want to go there, yeah.
Then you call this person. He has a boat which is going there.
Okay. How much? Speak to him.
You can
I'll talk to him.
negotiate with him.
Okay. I'll pay you and get out.
Okay.
I'll take a boat somewhere.
Yeah.
I don't know where, but I'll take a boat.
Ngamba.
Ngamba.
Ngamba. Yeah.
Do many boats go there?
Yeah.
Big boats, or is it just
the small one?
just the small one? Why is it just the small one that's goes there?
And because those big boats, because they don't have money to afford them.
To go there?
Yeah. Because
Why
once
is it very far?
it's not very far, but the only thing the big boat takes many people.
Ah,
Yeah. But the small one can go even with 2 people like
Oh.
that. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
But this big boat, or do any of the big boats go to the chimpanzee?
No.
None of them go?
Unless if you get a speedboat. But if not a speedboat, no way. The small one, the one we normally use.
Okay, let me just go and have a look at the sign and have a think. Okay, thank you so much. So these guys have convinced me not to see the chimpanzees because they're not feeding today.
That they are confusing. It's
No.
already late. Yeah?
It's too late to go and see the chimpanzees today, so I'm going to go to an island called Kalangala. This boat is leaving the Vanessa. Vanessa?
Yes.
I'm going on the Vanessa with my new friends that I've been playing pool with. We're all going to go to Kalangala together. Yes. When should I go to see the chimpanzees? Another day.
Yes. Maybe Monday
Yeah, maybe
or
Monday.
even Sunday.
I'm just going to stay one night and then come back tomorrow.
You can even organize Sunday.
Yeah.
Organize Sunday.
And then what time does the big boat come back tomorrow?
At 8.
At 8 a.m.
Yes.
Yeah.
Here's the deal. If I buy a ticket, can I charge my phone?
Yeah.
No, it's not that. I have a socket here.
Yeah. Oh, you
But
didn't tell
they
me.
disturb. You what it keeps on getting off. Like, what's that? Are you recording?
I'm looking at my viewers like, do you believe her? I don't know if I believe it.
Okay. I have a socket here.
You have a socket.
But, it disturbs.
It disturbs. Well, I'm disturbing.
No, you are not.
So can I put it in?
It's fine. You put, but it will keep getting off down.
Oh, it keeps going on and off.
Yes.
Okay, that's okay. Right. Actually, I need to film this pool game. So after.
Okay.
When does the boat leave?
4. You still have time.
So what's the time just now?
Alright, it's 2.
2. Oh.
Alive?
So I've got 2 hours.
Yes.
Okay. Is there somewhere to eat near here?
Yeah, but quick food. Yeah.
A Rolex?
Yes.
They have Rolex?
Yes.
Vegetarian?
You can tell them your test.
Okay, we're gonna play pool. Sorry, I'm keeping you. Thank you. Ronald just beat me because he's on his home turf, but
He's the Roger Federer.
I've just met Roger Federer of pool in Uganda, so we're gonna play another game, and I'm gonna show him how the Scottish people play pool. When we beat people at pool, we get very happy. I'm going to eat a Rolex. From inside there? Okay. Hello?
She's there.
Oh, yeah? Oh.
Mama Jim.
Hi. I want to eat something?
Yeah, she's the one.
Okay, cool. Hello. I'm good. Can I order some food?
Fish?
You have fish?
Yes, you have fish, medium, starting.
Oh. I think I just have a Rolex. What, do you have a Rolex?
Yeah, we do have one.
Can I see? Where is the price?
The Rolex is 4,500.
4,500. Okay. You have coffee? Oh, this one. Can I have a can I have fish in it?
Fish? No, it only has eggs.
Just eggs. Does it have vegetables?
Tomatoes, onions.
Tomato.
Yeah.
Can you put fresh chili?
Fresh chili. Let me ask the chef if he has chili.
Okay, cool. Should I have a beer?
Yeah.
Yeah. 4,000 for a beer.
5,000.
You said 4,000.
No, I said 5.
I'm only
I
joking.
said it's 4.
Okay. Does it say the beer price on this?
The beers, yeah. The prices are not included. This is in the kitchen.
Okay. Fine. I'll have the Rolex with fresh chili if you can, and then I'll have... Okay, cool. Just got to make sure I'm getting the right prices around here. Can they do it? Huh? Okay, you don't have fresh chili, no?
Yes, there's no French.
That's okay, I'll just use this one.
So he puts it in the Rolex?
Yes, please.
Then one Rolex. Still vegetable.
I like very spicy. I'll have a Nile, and can I have a bottle of water as well? Thank you so much. I came here to see the chimpanzees, but apparently the chimpanzees don't... Is that for me? No? Okay. Apparently the chimpanzees aren't around at the moment because they only feed in the morning and at 2:30, so better planning next time. Unplanned is still planned. So the new plan is to go to Kampala Island. Apparently it's very beautiful, and I'm going to take a boat there in 1 hour and a half, and then I'm going to spend the night there and then either come back tomorrow or come back on Sunday, depending on what I want to do. But for now, I'm going to eat some Rolex. Okay, we're getting on a boat. Oh. Beautiful day for a boat ride. Very friendly. So every day I meet new people, new and interesting people.
It's a culture.
Yeah.
The visitor is treated special than the person at home. That's what our culture trains us from the beginning.
Okay.
If a visitor comes, you forego your food, you forego your nice things, your nice clothes.
It is nice though.
And you give the visitor. You know, we call it Ubuntu culture. Ubuntu means the person in you
Okay.
should be a generous person.
Okay.
Should be someone who welcomes, who makes others feel warm.
Yes.
You are not supposed to feel nice alone.
No.
If you win with others, if you lose with others.
Yes.
So it's sort of culture. I've just finished my PhD in social work.
Okay.
And that is the philosophy that I was using.
Yes.
Yeah, the Ubuntu culture.
Well,
Where
losing can even be fun if you do it with good people. Even losing could be fun if you do it with the right people. Because you're like, oh, we learned together.
So we tend to put the collective needs before the individual needs.
Yes. Well, they're both the same thing.
They're the same.
I don't think you can put the collective needs before the individual needs. I think you need to make sure you're okay, and then when you're okay, you have the ability to make sure that other people are okay. But if you put everyone else ahead of you,
It's not that you pay them, but it's like you shouldn't be comfortable because you have. When you say, oh,
no,
yeah, so
you shouldn't only look out for you, and you take responsibility for yourself, and then you take responsibility for others. But you can't take responsibility for others until you take care of yourself.
Yeah. But you know, because it is everyone's, it's the culture. Even other people are taking care of you.
Yes.
As you take care of them, they're also taking care of you.
Yes.
So you never feel you're taking your needs.
Yes.
It is everyone's responsibility. It's a collective
Yes.
responsibility.
And then when you give, also sometimes people take more than you give to them, but you can't give with expectations.
Like you find you're in Kampala, you have a nice job, you're taking your children to good schools, but you're supposed not to mind about your family. If you have people who can't go to school in your family,
Yeah.
you'll never be considered successful if you don't go back and do something.
Yes. has a story. Even if they don't have a good education or they have hardship that they've gone through, or they have lessons that they can teach you. But sometimes people don't listen to people because they think, oh, they're less educated than me or whatever. But if you just take a minute to listen, if you have a minute to listen to every person, they have something that they can tell you that will be a piece of treasure that you can learn and take into your life.
At times, when it's dying out also, it is also slowly dying out because a lot of influence, capitalism, everyone wanting to be rich, fast, a lot of external influence.
Yes.
So it is also declining.
Yes.
It is declining slowly. People tend to focus on their nuclear family, the extended family and community. That solidarity.
Yes. But then sometimes this solidarity with the extended family is kind of tribe mentality, and sometimes the tribe can mean that you as a group while it's beneficial to the group, it also means that you conflict with other groups.
In society and human beings, conflict is inherent. It is part of us.
Just arriving in Kalangala. Here we go. All right, we've just landed on Kalangala. All the boda bodas are lining up to pick everyone up. I think I've got my hotel booked, so dude, I've got my hotel booked. I'm gonna go with these guys. One of the people on the boat are all staying in the same hotel, so I'm just gonna go with the flow and then see what happens. Are you guys working today?
Yeah, we are working.
What are you doing?
We are guarding this boat.
You're guarding the boat?
Yeah.
Oh, right, okay. I might try and cause some damage, steal the boat. I'm gonna make your job difficult, right? I'm going to go. That's how I'm gonna steal the boat. Don't you steal the boat!
You don't need to steal the boat.
Yeah, I'm not gonna try and steal. Whose boat is it anyway? Someone rich?
No, for the Raka science problem.
Oh, it's like a tourist boat.
It is an ambulance.
It's an ambulance. Oh, an ambulance boat. I see. Well, you guys are doing a good job. Keep guarding the boat. I'm gonna keep doing whatever I'm doing. Oh my god. How many of us are going in this? I have very wide hips. Oh! That's nice. Are you?
No, you,
Are you sure?
you can have it.
Oh, thank you so much. Wow, I'm getting the front seat because I've got big hips. Hips don't lie. Lol. Guys, that's the end of that episode. So if you want to check out fun on Kalangala Island, then check out the next episode. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then please do so, and like this video and hit the alert bell on the channel as well to get updates on next videos. But check out the next episode and you'll get to see all of the fun driving around Kalangala Island. Thanks for watching.